Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to install Wine on Ubuntu. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. Firstly, let me show you that I'm using the latest version of Ubuntu. For installing Wine, open Terminal. Now, firstly you'll need to check the system, whether you have an Ubuntu 32-bit system or a 64-bit system. To know that, execute the following command. After executing the command, scroll to the top and look for Ubuntu system. Here you can see that the Ubuntu CPU operating mode supports 32-bit and 64-bit as well. Now, after getting the system info, execute the following command in order to install Wine. In a while, you'll have a prompt asking you if you want to continue. Press the Y key on your keyboard, and then press Enter key to continue. And, as you can see, the latest version of Wine is installed. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.